how to enable email, surveys, and feedback notifications on SoundCloud Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable email, surveys, and feedback notifications on SoundCloud Mobile. First, then open SoundCloud, and here you will find library. Click on it and then click here in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click notifications and scroll down until you find this one, surveys and feedback. And if you want to enable it, all you need to do is just click on it, and now go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's how to enable it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.